Hello guys, welcome back. This is part 2 of the Skittle challenge, and the winner gets to wet spray us with the water gun, soaking wet guys, because it's hot today. So this is the challenge number 2.
I won!
So number 1 guys, Shakai was the winner. So let's see who wins in number 2. And guys, no cheating. If you win, if you lose, you're getting wet.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Why me?
Alright. So
Me first.
I'll show you first. So we're starting back from, should we start from 1 or 2?
2. One.
Okay, 1. You can't turn your own blindfold.
Mom, I can't see, look.
Mommy can see?
Mom, look.
It's alright, it's alright. I just say that.
I can't see at all.
So you could see. You can see the 4, yeah?
No? You said that.
Bingo, look at it. Don't spin it. If you can see it, it's fine.
What's
Come.
this? Oh.
Sit over some more. So Ming win.
Strawberry.
Okay, I should get the first.
Ding!
Let's go.
Ding ding ding. I should get the first one. Come Ming.
I'm next.
Yes, you're next.
Ah, the winner of last one is next.
Come.
Strawberry. I know how strawberry tastes now.
Ming, can I see them? See that slide over.
I can't see, Mom.
Okay.
Oh, this is tight. This is too
Come
tight.
Ming, come.
I don't like strawberry actually. It tastes nasty. My favorite fruit though.
My favorite.
It's my favorite fruit.
What colour is that, Ming? Open your mouth, Ming.
Oh.
What colour? What flavour?
It ain't purple.
It's not
Or is it?
purple.
Or is it? Or is it? Orange! No.
Open your mouth, let me see.
It's lemon.
It's yellow.
Orange!
Lemon.
1-1!
Lemon.
What?
My turn.
Alright. I won last round.
My turn. You win the last round.
But not this one.
Well, not this one. Come.
I'm winning this one.
Come. I'm not getting wet this time again.
There you are. I'm gonna give you the one.
1.
Yeah, I know one.
Remember 1. Where's my water? I want some water first. Wait. 'Cause I was eating one. Alright.
Wait, no. No, Sky.
No cheating.
Me.
Make sure you do it in front of the camera so then everyone can see that you're not cheating.
Wait, Sky. Let's do this one.
Let's do. What about what's this about?
Alright.
This let's
Alright,
do.
ready?
It's meant to be one person. Stand to this side so they can see. Come.
You ready?
Yes, I am.
Ah!
Should I put it in?
Yeah. What kind is it?
Wait.
I dropped it. Yum. The facial expressions right now.
Lime.
Yes.
Got it.
I won last time, so I don't. My turn.
The 1.
Alright, my turn. No, it's my turn. No, you're cheating. Just because it's my turn.
Come on, shoe.
Oh yeah. Come.
If you've got one in your mouth, I'll try and get rid of it.
You don't have one
It's going to mess up the taste. Are you ready, boy?
Yes, I am ready, Mom.
What, do you want both of them at once or one after the other?
One after the other.
No, it's 2 now. That's cheap.
No, 8.
Oh. Tell me yours to the other one. Come, you're not meant to wait too long either.
Alright. I won.
Max 5 seconds.
What is it?
Orange and purple.
Open your mouth.
Oh!
What, did I get
No,
it?
not orange. No.
No.
Orange. Orange. Purple's right, but orange wrong.
No, man. When you opened your mouth, no.
What was it nasty?
It bears sweets all over the place.
What was the other one?
Okay, it
My
was
turn.
sorry, it was yellow. It was orange, purple, and yellow.
Let Mum do it for me, please.
You think that you're gonna get to cheat? You can see now, innit?
What do you mean?
If
If I wanted to cheat,
what do you want? One
Why
after
was
the
I
other,
asking?
or
one after the other. Yes.
one after the other?
Yes, please.
Mum, can I drink some of your water, please?
Sorry.
Mum,
Yeah?
can I drink some of your water, please?
Sure. Look, so I'm not cheating.
Oh, alright. That's sad.
Laughing. What? Me, what you laughing for? Yeah. Come on, you ready for the other one?
Lime.
Open them up.
Wait, yeah, lemon.
What is it? Lime or lemon? Lime is the green one. Lemon is the yellow one.
It's this. There. Lime.
Okay.
I
Green,
swear you
green.
saw that.
Green.
Cheating, innit?
How am I cheating? Well, if you did it, how am I cheating?
No, you look directly at it.
Open your eye. Open your mouth. What's the other one? Don't take the other mouth and look funny. Can you cheat or
Strawberry.
Nah, it was lemon.
Michael.
I get one. I won.
No.
We haven't. Are you dumb? You haven't won. If you've won, then I would have won before you guys.
Actually got two and I've got one. Let's see who win now.
Me, obviously.
No.
Yes. If I win the other one, then I
Suppose
will.
I get both of them.
I'm choosing
No,
once.
I got one, yeah.
I'm choosing
If I
once.
win one now, it's a tie. And then,
Actually,
if it's a tie, it's free between me. I don't like what's going on. Why you calling Ashley and saying Ashley?
Because he told me which one.
Ashley, go put some water in the water gun, cause
Where's that?
wait, don't do that.
Ah. I think it's funny, isn't it?
Come, next one. How come it tastes like the first one?
I'm checking if it's to record them.
Let me tell you what it is.
What is it?
Black currant and black currant.
Mum won! Actually, Mum won! Mum won!
Come on, both of you. I'm not playing. There is no game. I got two, so I'm the winner. Don't even be no tired team.
My turn.
Mum won!
No, she didn't.
I
Yeah.
did. Oh, what do you mean? No, I didn't.
No, that's impossible because you only had one.
No, it's
Yeah, but I got to put both of them right.
Yeah, but I thought you get four. Whoever gets four wins.
No, it's actually free.
What do you mean four? Come on, boy, come on. no. What are you doing? Bring the water.
No, this is unfair.
I'm the winner.
How's that fair?
No, I'm not playing. Holding me, because the last time you cheated, holding me. You cheated. Holding me. Last time you cheated, bring him over here. Me. Over here. Last time you cheated. Bye. Last time you cheated. I got wet the last time, so it's only fair for you not to get wet this time. Come on. Come for your wedding.
I already got wet. Now it's your
Come
guys'
for your
turn.
wedding.
I've been wet.
Guys,
No.
this is a fun game.
Yeah, it was really fun.
This is a
actually.
fun game.
I recommend you trying it.
Recommend trying it, guys. If you're at home and it's hot, you haven't got anything to do, get in your back garden, guys. I'll play you some games. Water.
You just put it in yourself.
Ah. Ooh. Ooh.
So,
I'm wetting myself up. Getting away. Guys, that was nothing but fun, guys. If you enjoyed, leave a comment down below and let me know. Like, share the video, guys. I'm trying to get to 2,000 subscribers by the end of this month, guys. Share the video, comment,